So welcome back to my channel. Here is a glimpse of my routine as an African village mom. Yes, so I'm sweeping the environment, the backyard, the front edge. Although I normally used to sweep the front edge, the front of the house every day, but the backyard is at least every week or as time permits me. Okay, so this is just a glimpse of my routine as an African mom. Yes, tidying up the environment. I love to keep my environment clean because of the children. I have children and I have a toddler as well. So they come out to play. Yes. So here I am sweeping. Yes, although we share compound with other people, but I just like to keep my space clean. Yes, because of the children. Yes. So all these things are not even mine, so I may not be shifting them because I don't want trouble. Yes. So I'll just sweep where I can sweep. Yes. So most times even during most times rainy season, like when the grasses grow around the compound, the drainage, I trim them off. I trim them off because the environment needs to be safe, most especially for the kids, because they come out to play a lot around the place. So we need to keep the environment clean and healthy for them as well. Yes. Not only just because of the kids, I just love keeping the environment clean. Yes. So yes, this is my chair. I normally used to come to sit down here to break seed. Yes, to break seed, kernel seed, and all that. Yes. So, what house chores do you love the most? What's your favorite house chores? Whether married or single, what's your favorite house chores? Let me know from the comment section what you love doing most at home. Yes, I normally used to use nylon bag tie tie the dates, okay? To tie the dates in. Yes. So I can easily trash them. So I'm done sweeping. Okay, I'm done sweeping everywhere. I have tied the dating. I will be taking it to go and trash. So let's take a look at my garden. Here's my garden. The vegetable, pepper, tomatoes, pumpkin, and a lot more. Yes, although some of my plants actually dried off. See them, they dried off because when I was teaching, I didn't have time to water them. Yes, so here I want to go and hustle for water. Yes, I normally used to carry the trash to trash it myself. There was a time when we just came here newly, wanted to trash these dates, so I look for these people that trash dates. I paid through my nose. The charges were so high. Yes, although when I complained to some people, they told me that they only did that to me because I was new. Yes. So, and since then, I vouched to always trash dates myself. After all, is where they normally used to trash date is along the road. It's my road. Yes, so I'm back. I'm back. I couldn't go with my phone because no one to hold the camera for me. So it's my daughter that is even assisting me holding the camera. So this is just a glimpse of my routine as an African mom. So this one is a drinking water. It's treated. portable for drinking. So see you in my next video. Thank you so much.